now time for our Rain or Shine Magilas moves. Sa number 3.
Trying to get away from the defense of Ukic. Jeffrey Allen John sends that one home.
Sa number 2.
Castro gets it over to Norwood. Norwood fakes that pass. Norwood throws it down once again. Gabe Norwood serving notice here in Sevilla.
At sa ating top play.
Castro leads a 3-on-1. Norwood will go.
Oh, what a dunk!
Gabe Norwood throws
He
it
makes
down.
sure he posterized Scola. Unbelievable.
At yan ang mga magigilas moves. Hatid sa inyo ng Rain or Shine Elastomeric Paint, ang pinturang magilas. Huwag basta pintura, sa Rain or Shine, protektado ka. We've got you covered.